a mix-up song. Now we learn the interval of fourth, where you need to skip 4 steps from C to F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or D to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, I will recommend you to find where is the fourth, where line jump to space or space jump to line, and you circle it. It makes you easier to notice where is the fourth. Let's play a mix-up song. Start from left hand F. This is the fourth. Fourth, F, fourth, F. From C, jump fourth, go down to E, skip to C, E, down and up, F, jump to fourth, C, jump fourth, F, go down to D, jump fourth. When you see the symbol on the top, it means you have to freeze. Pause for a few seconds before you start together and play. E, D, E, F, 2, 3, 4, tap, 4, 2, 2, F, 4, F, 2. Now left hand turn C, jump 4, go down E, skip, E, down and up to F, jump 4, C, C, jump 4, go down to D, jump 4 to G and freeze. Ready, go. E, D, go up to F, 2, 3, 4, tap F, F, together, F, tap. Two, two, two. Once there was a small man, though he was a tall man, 'cause he saw his shadow stretching far